Hello guys, welcome to a TTF222 video, and today we're going to look at how to install TaunTaun 2. You may have heard of these videos, I'll show you, ignore the Fortnite sounds. Basically what I'm talking about is you may have heard of this video. Of these videos, you may have heard of this. Well, I'm showing you how to install it. Step 1. Go to Google Play Store and search Tom. Scroll and look for this icon that says coming soon. Press it and press pre-register. Press OK, and then there you go. When you have pre-registered this game, press OK, and then there you go. That's how to install this game safely. When the pre-register gives you a notification, that stands for that it just enabled. Thank you.